Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can earn $1,400 per day from Google News. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So how can we earn money using Google News? First, go to your browser and search for Google News. And here, you can click on the first link. Now, you can see the headlines here, like about politics, technology, sports, social media influencer, health, and many more topics. But what are we going to do is to select a topic like this. We can click here. And here we have the news. What are we going to do is to copy this news article. Select all of the text and then click on copy. But we can't use it as it is. In that case, we can go to spinbot.com. At Spinbot, you can rephrase the whole article or you can rewrite the text. It is an intelligent free text rewriting tool. You can add some zing to your old writing. Spinbot's amazing contextually intelligent software will boost your creative momentum as you find unlimited new ways of expressing yourself. One click could be the extra push you need to get your brain out of the writer's slump. Grammatically accurate, fun, and fresh take on stale content, and it is used by millions of people every month. What is a Spinbot? Spinbot is a free, automatic article spinner that will rewrite human-readable text into additional, intelligent, readable text. Similarly, if you need a paraphrasing tool, Spinbot will get the job done for you for that purpose as well. Having tons of engaging content is vitally important. Having a continuous flow of fresh, human-readable text is the best way for your website or blog to gain search engine exposure. Content is king, as they say. It is an extremely important as of search engine optimization. In this manner, Spinbot can be a vital tool for anyone who wants to market their website or product online as quickly and efficiently as possible. With all the unique, quality textual content you could ever want, you will quickly gain legitimate web visibility, both in terms of human readership and search engine exposure. You can include capitalized words if you choose. There's the option to rewrite capitalized words as well as leave any number of words unchanged, depending on whatever you enter into the ignore field separated by commas. Get new visitors and keep them happy. As an internet marketer, you need something better than artificial link building and pages of useless, jumbled nonsense to get long-lasting traffic referrals from major search engines. Google in particular pays special attention to your visitors' behavior. So if visitors are quickly navigating elsewhere because your site is full of junk content, then you will get fewer traffic referrals from Google over the long run. Now let's try to paste the article here. Click on the center, paste text, then click on Basic Spin. And there we have our new article. Some words are edited, and then the whole article is paraphrased. As we have this article, I guess you're thinking how can we earn with this article? Next is we can go to eatingwell.com. In this website, you can post that article. Eatingwell.com pays you $2 per word. So for instance, your article has 700 words. They will pay you $1,400 for that article. It's great, right? But there's another website that we can use. It is the aarp.org. There's a lot of articles that you can read here, like for example about health, TV shows, work and jobs, travel, and a lot of articles here. But with this website, you can actually earn money. Let's go back to Google News. Let's search for an article here. You can see the top stories, suggested news. We can also choose categories like business, technology, entertainment, sports, and other. Let's try to choose science. And here are the articles about science. Let's look for the article that we can use. Let's choose this one. Software offers new way to listen for signals from the stars. Let's select the whole text and then click on copy. After that, we can go back to spinbot.com. Paste the article here and then click on Basic Spin. And there we have our new article that we can use. Let's go back to aarp.com. And here, we can post our new article. AARP pays $1 to $2 per word. So if you have, for example, 700 words on your article, and AARP pays you for $2 per word, you will have a $1,400 for that article. And that's how you can earn money using Google News. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.